Hello, welcome back again to this channel. Here I'll show you how to change these bulbs here, the rear bulbs of Chevy Express cargo van. You can change any of these bulbs by following this process. To open to get to these bulbs, you need first to open. There is a bolt here at this top part here. There's a bolt here, and there's another bolt here. This bolt here holds this and this. This which is this is the light part here, and it holds this plastic top here, this bolt here. Then when you open this bolt and this bolt, this 1, 2, 3, you open those 3 bolts, you can be able to, by pulling this out, you can be able to get to this 4th bolt right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Once you get this bolt, you can remove this. To remove this top part here, you need to come in here. If you want to remove this top part here and look in there, let me show you real quick. Open this and look in there on the side. There's 2 clips in there on the side. You can see right there on your left, right there on the side, there's one there, and there's another one here in the bottom here. I'll show you this one here. It's right here. There's a clip right here, and there's another one on the top. Those 2 clips, you need to remove them to remove this top part here. Then now you get to this bottom part here. It comes off like that. Then you can change the bulbs, any of the bulbs. When you're done, you do the process backwards. You can see here. Okay, you can see this light fixture here. If you look at the bottom here, there's a hole. That hole there goes into this thing here. So this goes in like that. So it sits in that hole right there, and then after that you can be able to put this back together, lock that, put that back up here, which I'll show you shortly when I'm putting it back together. That goes back up here, and this goes back in here, and these are the bolts. I used see the socket. This socket is let's come here to the light and look at this so you can see the socket. See it? (1332) socket. 1332 socket. 1332 socket. That's the socket I use to remove these bolts. So it's simple. The bulb itself, 3157. That's the blinker light bulb. 3157. So that's the bulb for the blinker light for this Chevy Express cargo van. And actually most of these bulbs in this van are 3157. Okay, so it's a simple process. Again, let's to remove the bulb. To remove the bulb, you just twist this anti-clockwise. Twist it anti-clockwise. Now, the hand, let's twist it anti-clockwise. Then it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but once you twist it anti-clockwise, it comes out like that. You see, twist it anti-clockwise and pull out. So you twist it and then pull out. To put it back, you do same thing. You put it in, then twist clockwise, and it locks. You can see the fixture itself has those holes there, locking mechanism. So you just twist it and lock it. It's simple. The main thing here is removing this top part here. It's a main problem because once you remove those two nuts, the top one and the bottom one, and then you get to this one, you still have to remove the white clips. The white clips. There's two ways to remove those white clips. You can try and push this up here like this and pull it going sideways like that and go left, then pull out the top, then pull out the bottom. Or you can get some thin pliers, and squeeze that white clip right there. You see right there, that white clip right there, that white clip there on top. Squeeze it and then pull up, like squeeze it and then pull up like this. It will come off from the hole, from that hole there. This plastic cover can come off. Okay, so that's basically the way to do it. Let me know if you have any questions. When you're here, when you remove this, you can clean up this area here. You can clean it up, and when you're putting in your bulb, like this one you see is burnt, put some bulb grease, put some grease in there. There's a grease that comes with the bulb. Make sure you put it in there so you don't get all this corrosion here. You don't get all this corrosion. See? Okay, so you put that grease in there. So basically, that's how you change this bulb. And let's see. When you see it blinking like that, it's just warning you to show you that a bulb on this left side here is burnt out. Because it's supposed to really blink like that. See, that's the normal way of blinking. That right there. See, the right side is blinking normal. This side here is blinking fast like that. That's a warning to show you that ignore the orange, the blinking orange. That's because the door is open and the key is inside the ignition. But the green one, that's a warning to show you that you need to change the bulb on this left side. So it should be blinking like that. Yeah, so you come up here, you see the top one is blinking fine. Blinking fine here. So that's good. That's the right passenger side. And you come here, you look at this one here. And you can see this one. This one, something's going on here. So this is the problem here. Okay, so we'll fix this problem here. Let's see. So you can see we replace the bulb. Replace the bulb. So that's the bad one here. That's the bad one here. So we replaced it. You can see it's blinking fine now. Now even if you check the front over there, it's blinking fine. Let's see. Now you can see it's blinking normal. So you see now when you change the bulb, it start blinking normal now. Now both sides are blinking normal. So anytime you see it blinking that fast, you know either the front or the back, one of the bulbs need to be changed. So do it right away. Don't wait too long. So you can get pulled over, and that's a ticket. Get pulled over. So you do it right away. So you can see to put it back, you make sure this top piece here is sitting on top of here. When it comes here, when it comes to putting this back, the top, the bottom one, this one goes in first, then the top one sits on top of that, and then you put one of these nuts, one of those nuts there to lock it. So you lock. So what you do is you lock. You're supposed to lock the top first. Lock this one here. Lock this one on the side. Then come lock this one. Then come and lock this one, and you're done. So this is how you do it. Let me know if you have any question there in the comment section, or you can leave your comment. If you didn't understand anything, I can explain it back to you. Let me know. Hope you have a good day. Check our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and take a look at our other videos. Okay, have a good day. Okay, bye.